research has clearly shown worldwide that having narrower row spacings will lead to a more competitive crop. It's quite simple. Also, increasing crop seeding rate is an important agronomic tactic to suppress weeds and maintain crop yields in the presence of weeds. So, very important, low cost, relatively simple tactic to help manage weeds. A collaborative research project where we looked at increasing wheat seeding rate, and we had a number of different crop wheat varieties, and we went from really low rainfall areas out in the West Merredin right through to high rainfall areas, and we found that across the southern wheat belt at the higher seeding rates, doubling crop seeding rate halved the weed seed production and maintained crop yield in the presence of annual ryegrass. So very effective.
A little bit of work I was involved with did show exactly the same as all of the other work on crop competition. Increase more crop growth, less weed growth. It's pretty simple. The work we had was increasing our wheat seeding rate by 40 kilograms, halved our ryegrass seed set in the presence or absence of herbicide. So in one case it turned Sakura from a 95 to a 99% herbicide. So and then the row spacing review paper from the Graham Centre here. The author's name, Brendan Scott.
Brendan Scott.
Just clearly shows narrow row spacings yield more in wheat in Australia if you're above about 1.5 tonnes per hectare yield. So there's more yield and there's less weeds to be had. So more crop, less weeds, that's our motto.